Hey there!
Looks like someone's hired some serious muscle.
There's Spiderman. Arm the bomb and clear out.
A bomb! Something this size could take out a whole city block. Better find the mercenaries and figure out how to turn it off. That bomb had slots that looked like they were made for keys. If I can find them, I can probably disarm the bomb. Thanks. I always wanted a red key.
Keep sharp!
Anyone looking for a blue key?
You should have called for backup!
Alright, the yellow key. Hey, you didn't need this green key, did you? One down, 3 to go. That's 2. We're halfway there. 3 magical keys. Whew, that's it for the bomb. Now onto the airfield. Looks like my hunch was right. I'd be harder to spot on those lampposts. Adding this freon to my webbing should make it freeze, just like ice.
Get him! You're dead, do-gooder!
Adding this freon to my webbing should make it freeze, just like ice.
You should have called for backup! You're dead, do-gooder! You're dead, do-gooder! You should have called for backup! Your slinging days are over! You're dead, do-gooder! You're dead, do-gooder! Your slinging days are over! You're dead, do-gooder!
That plane's out of control. Maybe I can use my webbing to stop it. gotta clear these barrels out of the way. Ladies and gentlemen, please be careful gathering your carry-on baggage as items in the overhead compartments may have shifted during flight. Rise and shine, Captain.